We've just acquired this BMW 330 automatic convertible. Absolutely lovely condition considering its age and mileage. Finished in metallic grey, park distance control, satellite navigation, M Sport alloys. Lovely red leather interior. We have the windscarf there, which you can move if you want to. It's in stunning condition. Start the car. The full iDrive system. Navigation. Bluetooth. Fully electric hood. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Cruise control. Automatic headlights, electric windows, electric mirrors, aux and USB. Looks lovely with the hood up or down. DJH with full dealer facilities. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.